Do you have a pony in your pocket? Yeah, horsepower. G'day YouTube, this is the intro that's really interesting but obligatory all the same. We're at Mill Creek, I'm riding with Luke. This month it's pump action that's had the attention of the Mill Creek Trail Association, and let's see what good work they've done. End of intro, let's get on with it. No step ups today. Here's why the hit the terp step up is a problem at the moment. So the berm ain't massive, but whatever skill you think you need for the jump itself, that's how much skill you need to huck into this small but serviceable berm with the required pace. The issue is this lead up. It's a bit craggy, but this drainage roller, because of the dip beforehand and the drop away over it, it really does put you off nailing that jump. The jump itself is unchanged. Have a crack? Have a crack. Squiggly's is more eroded and rutted than it's been in a long time. Oh, jeez. Twice as rutted as it used to be. The river crossing at the bottom of Black Hawk Down clearly needs work, but there is a lot of work going on. We make our way up Black Hawk up, and that brings us to Malley Alley, which has had some work done in the last few weeks just at the drop-in point, making it faster and funner than it's been for quite a while. Not much has changed through this part of pump action, but you know, not much needed to change through here either. It's quite well bedded on rock. There's a few puddles, but nothing more troublesome than a hose at the end of the day. Yeah. Short ticky climbs are usually my forte. Yeah. Oh. Not today. At least I'm not stuck this time. MtB. Like and subscribe, it helps out. Why not? Pump action. Rutted and fun, repaired and serviceable. And there's kind of a new feature. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Yeah, you can do that. It's not really the drop itself, it's the run-in. It's a bit offline. The tree on your left just messes with your head. What can I say? It took a bit of doing. That bit of doing included doing what I now consider the beeline down the traditional rock roll there, as did plenty of others while I tried to get my head together for the now A-line drop. And then, well, to be honest, it bugged me so much that I didn't do this drop. I came back the next day just to do the damn thing. Well, mission accomplished. That's one of those ones that just looks harder than what it is. The drop away that makes the landing smooth is what messes with your mind. Bloody mountain bike. Yeah, baby. This has had some work, clearly needs more. Just hard to carry speed through. Likewise through there. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, that's a lot better. A lot better. Well done, Trail Association. So as you saw in the intro, the major rock roll on the way up just didn't go to plan. Following Luke's line is no longer a great idea. I'm so sorry, bro. You're leading me astray. Oh, I followed your line. Oh my god. Thought I was cooked for a second. I'm glad I came back for the second day to tick off that little drop. It wasn't big, it just messed with my head. I came back for a second day, I conquered, yippee-ki-yay. If you're watching this deep, you know Mill Creek pretty well. So watch this video next and you will learn that